Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at a medical condition known as cirrhosis of the liver.
Cirrhosis is a late-stage liver disease in which healthy liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue, and the liver is permanently damaged. Scar tissue keeps your liver from working properly. The condition is fairly common in Jamaica. Consultant gastroenterologist Dr. Mike Mills says a wide range of diseases and conditions can damage the liver, leading to cirrhosis.
To get to that stage, you have to go through inflammation or hepatitis, and there are a number of causes of hepatitis. Alcohol, for example, can cause hepatitis. Viruses can cause hepatitis. Hepatitis B, hepatitis C, these are viruses that can cause inflammation. Autoimmune hepatitis, where your liver can be inflamed because your body's basically your immune system thinks that the liver is foreign tissue, starts to attack it, and this can cause inflammation and then cirrhosis. There are some medications that cause injury to the liver, and if they're taken for a long time, this can result in scarring and cirrhosis as well.
Others include liver cancer, bleeding, and weight loss. Dr. Mills says cirrhosis oftentimes has no signs or symptoms until liver damage is extensive.
So you get swelling of the feet, you get swelling of the abdomen called ascites. Outside of that, you may have jaundice depending on how severe the cirrhosis is, so yellowing of the eyes, itching of the skin depending on the cause of cirrhosis. You may have bruising on the skin because, again, the liver is important in your clotting, and sometimes your platelets may fall, which is a component of blood which is important in clotting. And you may have confusion because the liver is important in getting rid of toxins. So toxins like ammonia can build up, and this can cause confusion or coma.
There is no cure for cirrhosis because the damage done to the liver is permanent. However, depending on the cause, some steps can be taken to keep the condition from worsening.
Once there's scarring, however, that cannot be treated. So you can only manage the complications of cirrhosis at that point, and depending on what the complications are, it may require water tablets, for example, to get rid of the excess fluid, or controlling the pressure inside the veins to prevent bleeding, or to support the nutrition in other ways. Those are the best ways of treating it. Outside of that, the number one thing you could do is to replace the liver. So liver transplantation is something which has been in the news more and more recently. We have individuals who have tried to access a transplant. For adults, it's not available locally. For children, the Bustamante Hospital has been pioneer work in transplantation in children. This is something that needs to be encouraged.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.